What if you could double your income without doubling your clients? That's a dream, right? And one of the most common questions I get from TCs is, can I offer marketing services too? Or will that just stretch me too thin? So here's the real talk. Yes, you can absolutely blend TC and marketing if you do it right. But if you treat it as a favor instead of a systemized service, well, you will resent it pretty fast. So let's talk about how to blend roles strategically so you can increase your value, boost your revenue, and avoid burning out in the process. So think about it. Agents are busy. We know that. They are overwhelmed. They are drowning in listings, showings, emails, and compliance. And while you are managing the transaction, guess what they are neglecting? Their marketing, of course. So most agents know that they need help with email newsletters, posting just listed or under contract updates, managing social media and their website. But the reality is that hiring two people, a TC and a marketing BA, feels like too much. They want one person who can keep things moving and help them stay visible. And that's where you come in. But here is what you cannot do. You can't offer marketing services like you're doing them a favor, as we just said. This is not, oh, I can help with that too. That's how you create confusion, blur scope, and unpaid hours. So if you want to blend services, you need a clearly defined marketing menu. You also need a separate agreement or a bundle package, clear turnaround times and deliverables. And most importantly, you need separate brain space. You can't just write captions while chasing signatures and coming down the title company. Context switching is exhausting, which brings me to the next point. You need to build marketing into your workflow, not on top of it. Believe me, burnout happens when you stack new work on top of old responsibilities. Instead, what if marketing was part of your weekly rhythm? You could batch content on Mondays, send out client emails on Fridays. Better yet, use systems to make it scalable. You could use Canva templates for just listed, just sold, email templates that agents could customize if that is something you will offer, and you can use scheduling tools like Buffer or Later. You could create a listing launch package, MLS input, flyer, and 3 Instagram posts. Now you're not just adding tasks, you are delivering a product. Now, a quick moment before we keep going. If this is helping you rethink your services, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button like if it's the snooze alarm on Monday. Now, it's important to know which marketing services are a smart fit. Not every marketing task will make sense for a TC because you are not a full-time social media manager or a brand strategist. And you don't have to be. Here's what blends well. Listing coordination and just listed content, transaction updates and milestone emails, testimonial requests and social media posts, creating templates that agents can reuse. And now let's discuss what to avoid unless it's your actual specialty. Paid ad campaigns, long-form video editing, full-on branding or logo design. Again, if that is your thing, good for you, go ahead and offer it. But most of us, we are not design people. I recommend that you stick to marketing that complements the transaction process, not distract from it. And now that you know what to offer, here's how to price and position it. One option could be a la carte that will be perfect for add-on marketing during a file. For example, you could charge $75 for flyer, social media graphics, and an email blast. Another option could be a monthly bundle. That is an ongoing light marketing, even if you're not doing a file that month. For example, you could schedule 4 posts a week plus 2 email templates a month, and you can charge a flat rate. Another option will be a TC and marketing combo. It's a premium package that manages the file, launch the listings, and handle social proof. And a pro tip, name your packages. It makes them sound polished and intentional. By the way, if you're trying to launch your TC business without falling into a rabbit hole of endless research, I got you. Check out my free webinar, 3 Principles to Launch Your TC Business Without Endless Research. You learn what to focus on first, what to ignore, and how to get moving confidently. Link is below this video, and I think you will love it. Now, let's talk about boundaries so we avoid burnout. If you want to blend roles without burning out, you need crystal clear rules. No last-minute marketing task without lead time. No side task sent over text with 0 context. No free strategy during TC update calls. And absolutely no quick post at 6 p.m. on a Friday. You are not a yes machine, you are a business. And when you teach clients to work with you properly, they respect you more, not less. And now, of course, I'm going to recommend that you use AI to make everything better. This is when the things get fun. You don't need to write everything from scratch. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva Magic Write, or Jasper to help you write captions in your agent's tone voice, create email checklists, summarize reviews into posts, or turn listing remarks into Instagram content. Want to go deeper? You can always use make.com or Zapier to auto-generate testimonial request emails once a file closes. And that is how you scale without adding hours to your week. And if AI feels overwhelming, hire someone to set it up for you. You only need to do it once to benefit again and again. But if you like to take control and explore some AI kind of done for you tools, check out this video right here.